Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be planning in my classic dashboard planner for the week of the 14th through the 20th of March. This is the planner I use for social media, and I'm going to use the new, to me, Planners Anonymous Planner Love Kit, which I did an unboxing on Tuesday, just a couple days ago. I will try to remember to link that in the cards up above, but you don't have to scroll very far to find it. So what I thought I would do, it's a very springy kit, which is okay. It's almost the first day of spring. It might be, is the first day of spring the 20th? I don't even remember now. It is the first day of spring. Okay, so I have no reason not to use this kit now. So what I thought I would do, I have some of the components pulled out. Again, if you missed the unboxing, it's just, you can find it. It's the pink swishy on Tuesday. At first I was going to use this sheet of paper on the left-hand side and try to fit my two to-do lists like here and here, but I think that's going to be a little bit too much of a tight squeeze. So what I decided to do instead was, when I did the unboxing, I remember mentioning that this page reminded me of kind of like a junk journal kind of a page. So I think what I want to do, since it's it's meant to be landscape instead of portrait and it doesn't cover the sheet completely, I think what I want to do is rip it, you guys, like a junk journal spread kind of a thing. And so what I'm going to target doing is ripping it from about here to here, and then I'll keep these. And that way I can cover up focus on and calls and emails, and we can put a habit tracker box over noted. So let's see where I need to rip. I need to rip from about here, and I want to rip up because I want the white edge on the page so that the white edge kind of helps it blend into that part of the page a little bit better. So I need to come from about here, right beside these berries. Yeah, let's see where my target is, about here. Right, this line of text right above that floral. So let's just go ahead and do this. Oops, and I'm ripping up in the wrong direction, so let's keep going from here. All right. That's a really wide edge, which is okay. I can use it then to put stuff over it. So okay, since I started ripping that piece in the wrong direction, it gave me a weird edge there, so we'll see if we can use it. Okay, so I think I need to rip some of that off, a little bit of it, but that's perfect. Look, it covers up everything I wanted it to, except for right there, which is okay. We can work around that. So one thing I thought I could do is stick this washi tape, the thinnest of the washi tapes, I love that, it's so pretty, right here. It's a great way to cover up these lines if you don't use them. So maybe I'll go ahead and do that. So we'll go ahead and rip this off a little bit more. All right, so I'm going to grab my wax paper and put tape runner on the back of this because I know it's not going to go anywhere else. That's where it's going to go. So we got, for those of you that missed the unboxing or don't know what's going on there was a warehouse move with Planners Anonymous, and then there was some manufacturing issues when we switched over to the new sticker book, but it was well worth the wait. And then with the Lunar New Year, the Chinese New Year, everything in China, I know because I worked in China for a year during that time frame, 1 year. Everything shuts down for like 2 full weeks. It's their really, really, really big holiday season. And so with all of that stuff combined, we haven't gotten a box in a bit. So I got a bunch of the boxes, and I wanted to make sure I didn't just get them and do my unboxings and then forget about them. So I'm doing them one at a time, and I'm going to make sure and actually use them in a spread. So next week I will be using the Australiana kit, which has got a lot of green. I'm looking forward to that. But this week is Planner Love. That is so cool. I love that. Okay, let me go ahead and put this washi tape right there. I don't think I even need to white out the words. It just covers it up really well. All right. And maybe I'll put some at the bottom down here so that there's a little bit more continuity between the two sides. And then we're going to try really hard to use mostly stuff from the kit. I have a lot of different stuff that I go to in my go-tos every week, but I want to try to use mostly stuff from the kit. So far, so good. Just to show you how versatile the kit is, we'll try to use everything out of it. Okay. I want some sort of die cut or something big here. Since this is my social media planner, like a planner card or a planner person or something. So these are the die cuts and they are adhesive now. There's a pen, I could use that. Tear that paper. How appropriate is that since I just tore my paper? Let's put that on there for sure. I didn't even remember it said that. There's a printer with a stack of books. I kind of want, what about this? What about, let's put Lisa on there, Lisa Mendoza. She's one of the PR people and she is actually in this spread, this kit. Yeah, let's just use those two. Tear that paper and then Lisa. I guess I could put a planner on there, but I don't really need to. I like that. Okay. I'm not going to stick those down quite yet. They do have an adhesive backing on them, so, oops, there's a bow. Let's go now and switch to the sticker book and just see if there are action words I can use here. And I know I want to use the, we could put some minis on there. I know there's a cup of coffee in here. There's a top-down cup of coffee. I think there might be, there's some words. Oh, I want to use the dots. Okay, so I'm going to grab I'm going to use the dots for my bullet points, and then I'm going to use, I have these. There are 4. I need 7. So I know I said I was going to try to stick mostly with this sticker kit, but I need 7. So I have 2 options. I have these from LuxKittyDesigns, and I feel like this middle row of pinks matches pretty well. So I could use those for my other 4, or let's see, there's 1. Sorry, my other 3. There are 4 here, right? Yeah, 4, 5, 6. I can write on that one. And not so much that one. 7. There are the minis. I could write on this little folder. It's a little bit small. All right, maybe I won't use these. So I'm going to grab my super pointy tweezers. These are for artificial eyelash extensions, and I'm going to go ahead and fill out my stat boxes and my bullet points. I have these linked in the description box too. I decided if I write on with a bold enough pen, I can write on that and it'll be fine. So let's pick 3 habit trackers. Each one of these weekly kind of setup pages has a habit tracker. So I feel like this one is most integrated into the design of the stack up, so maybe I'll skip it and go with the other 3. Especially since this one is basically white and the other 2 have a floral pattern. So I was going to center it, but I want it to be off center, I think. It's not quite kiss cut all the way through. Switch back to my regular tweezers. Here we go. So because of that white ripped edge now, I can cover it up a little bit, come up onto it a little bit. Perfect. Oh, this is really coming together quickly, you guys. I'm liking it. All right, so these have an adhesive back. I'm gonna pull this off and we'll put her on there, kind of standing here down on the ripped page. I don't normally put planner girls, people in my planner, but the fun thing is I actually know who that is. That's a real person, so that's kind of fun. And then we'll tear that paper right here on the edge of the torn paper. I just love that. That is so stinking cool. There we go. All right. Let's see. I need to get YouTube videos up there, and I'm feeling like there's enough gray in this that I could just, I don't even need to do anything up there. I can just put, if I can find it, put my label on there. Here it is. Let's just put my label right on there. Leave it gray. I never do that. It's kind of nice for a change not to do the extra stuff. And then I think I'll just cover these up with some kind of label that's in the kit. So the very last page of the book, the only problem with these is, I think, are they clear? No, they're white this week. Sometimes they're clear, so I could easily use those. Or, let's see, this week, next week, noted focus, important self-care. I don't know if any of those are long enough. So here's what we're gonna do. I don't think that's long enough to completely cover up, get it done. Nope. So I'm just gonna put a little chunk of washi across there. We'll do them both to make sure they match. So I'm gonna use my tweezers to help me get the end of that right at the edge of the page. Okay, and then of course a little bit of an uneven rib. And problem solved. For this one we'll do noted. Or no, let's do focus, because that'll be my filming. There. Excellent. Oh, I like that. Okay, let's grab a couple minis. And then I think it might be done. Oh, I didn't put my coffee cup on there yet. How about, isn't there a mini? Yeah, there's a mini drinking coffee. Let's use her. I must always use that one right away. It's so cute. And then here's one working on the computer. There are two working on the computer, so I'm going to use them both. I do have a link, you guys. I didn't mention, I do have a link in my description box for you to get 10% off your first month subscription. You need to subscribe for a minimum of 2 months. And then you can skip if you want, or you can cancel your membership if you end up not liking it. But if you use my link for 10% off, then I get a few loyalty points. So there we go. That was quick and easy. Again, these stickers are not specifically designed for the Happy Planner, but as you can see, they're definitely easy to get them to work for you. So let's put it in my planner. I'm feeling like it's very sunny here in the Seattle area today, which is kind of rare. So I'm feeling like this light, bright spread is perfect. So there we go. That is, other than this sticker right here, that is all out of the kit. Everything I need, and I could have written that in. So I hope you like this video. I hope it gives you a better sense of how you can make the Planners Anonymous kits work for you. Some outside the box stickers that you may not have had on your radar until now. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.